Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel Login Assist. In this guide video, I will show you how to log in Temu account. So first of all, what you have to do is launch open any browser of your choice. You can see over here I have opened Google Chrome. Now click on the search bar and type in temu.com, press enter. Now after that, you can see over here, you'll be led to the official website of Temu. Initially, you'll be led to this kind of interface. So if you want to log into your account, it is actually very simple. Over here, you'll be able to find the option for orders and accounts. Simply click on it. Now you'll be led to this kind of interface. You'll be able to sign in or register for your account. Over here, you'll be able to find the sign in methods. You can either sign in with your email or phone number, or you can also continue with Google, Facebook and Apple. So simply click on the sign in method that you use while creating your account. Here I'm just going to sign in with my email. If you also want to do that, click on the field of email. Now provide your email address over here, or you can also enter your phone number instead. Simply click on this option, continue. Now you'll have to enter your password. Simply enter the password over here. Make sure to enter the correct password. If you have forgotten your password, click on this option, forget password, and you'll be able to recover it. Now after you enter the credentials, click on the sign in option that you can see on the screen. Now you can see over here you'll be logged into your account. So that is how you log in Temu account. I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel.